Tri-C's Manufacturing Technology Center of Excellence is committed to providing the best and safest training for students and employers participating in courses, apprenticeships, and certificate and degree programs. To meet the needs of today and tomorrow, we have enhanced our training and delivery methods to include the use of personal protective equipment, sanitization, safe distancing, and many other health protocols to ensure the well-being of students, faculty, staff, and the community. In addition, we have expanded the ways in which we offer training. Many courses can be taken either on campus or online, led by instructors with real-world experience and featuring labs with state-of-the-art equipment. Enter the workforce quickly by completing a manufacturing technology fast-track program in 8 to 16 weeks in popular areas such as machining, welding, computer numerical control, and more. You can also complete an ABET accredited engineering technology program in mechanical, biomedical, or electrical. Or transfer your credits to one of our 4-year partner schools. Tri-C offers a number of programs to help students with tuition and technology needs, and can support your path to employment through earn and learn and job placement opportunities. Whether you need to take a course, gain an industry-recognized credential, or complete a degree, Tri-C provides you with the right training for in-demand skills that can help you succeed. Visit our website for more information and get started today.